Book 3 Calls Weekly Playbook for Coaches. The Book 3 Calls Weekly Playbook for Coaches is designed to help coaches master the art of consistent client bookings. In just 2 weeks, this program aims to amplify client enrollment and revenue growth, eliminating the uncertainty of when the next client call will happen. The program is structured in distinct phases that guide coaches in attracting ideal prospects and setting calls with ease. The DIY Playbook provides insider access to a strategic playbook that empowers coaches to take control of their client acquisition. Together, coaches will identify their target audience, optimize their social media profiles to attract clients, craft attractive content that resonates with ideal clients, learn call setting techniques, and implement an efficient system for managing leads and follow-ups. The program also helps coaches establish a productivity-enhancing daily routine that incorporates learned strategies for continuous growth. It is delivered in 3 phases: identifying and attracting ideal prospects, learning to set calls from various situations, and systemizing efforts for consistent call bookings. Also have access to an on-demand training library that covers converting conversations into booked calls effectively, mastering daily operations, and identifying their ideal audience. Exclusive systems such as a call setting dashboard and a mobile app are provided to simplify the call booking process. Additionally, exclusive software allows coaches to export data from Facebook groups. As a bonus, coaches can unlock secret prizes at each new level they reach in the community. Support is available through direct email access, support threads in the group, and direct messaging. This program is offered for free as an invaluable investment in business growth and success. However, availability is limited due to its comprehensive nature. Coaches are encouraged not to miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize the way they set calls and grow their businesses.